Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Love Island the game. You start by creating your unique islander, customizing their look and name. Your adventure then unfolds through a series of daily choices and interactions. The main goal is to find a romantic partner, build strong connections, and ultimately win the show's grand prize. Every decision you make shapes your story. Customization is key to making your experience personal. You can select from many outfits, hairstyles, and facial features to create your ideal islander. Beyond appearance, your dialogue choices are crucial. Each decision you make in conversations directly influences how other islanders perceive you, affecting your friendships and potential romantic pairings. These choices truly shape your unique narrative. Building strong connections is at the heart of the game. You will form bonds, both friendly and romantic, with a diverse cast of characters. Daily challenges are also a big part of the experience, offering opportunities to earn rewards and move the story forward. Be prepared to navigate drama and rivalries, as maintaining your relationships requires careful choices and strategic interactions with everyone on the island. To reach the grand finale, you must consistently stay coupled up with a partner. Focus on making strategic choices that strengthen your relationship scores and build genuine compatibility. Ultimately, the public will vote for their favorite couple, so being a popular and engaging islander is vital. Your goal is to win the entire show alongside your chosen partner, securing the ultimate victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.